Pradeep Bhanotha. I have over 30 years of work experience. I've worked all over the world in multinational companies like Citibank, Barclays and AIG. My last assignment was in Philippines, working as the CEO of AIG Shared Services Technology. I now spend most of my time training and helping companies build skills. I have been invited by Imarticus Learning to conduct a workshop on Agile for operations. This workshop is being held in Makati IM Hotel on December 6th and 7th. Let me first introduce you to Imarticus Learning. Imarticus is a financial services and educational institution that focuses on bridging the gap between academia and industry. Imarticus assists corporates and individuals in meeting their human capital and skill sets requirements through a range of training and staffing solutions. The workshop, we will deep dive into Agile. Understand the reasons why Agile is so important in our lives today, where the old rules of management don't work anymore, and how we need to integrate Agile in our day-to-day life. The two-day workshop will be divided into 6 sessions, exploring the core concept of Agile framework from Scrum to Kanban, team formation, collaboration, leadership, and much more. We will also examine some of the critical strategies that you will need to successfully adapt Agile in your own companies. An Agile workshop is going to be fun. It's certainly going to be interactive and very thought-provoking. It will bring out some real takeaways, benefits for you, and tons of practical knowledge that will help you build and utilize to affect your communication, collaboration, and operation style in your own organizations. So I hope you will join me. I look forward to see you soon. Thank you.